What up, YouTube? So check it out, y'all. Those of y'all that have seen my pineapple plants and when I take off the fruits and stuff, harvesting the fruits. So I'm gonna show y'all. Look how I've kept this one here, and this one has been here for a while. The plant is still green itself, but if you see here, y'all, we're getting another baby growing off of it. Real healthy baby. I could either just let it grow or tear the shoot off, which I'll probably tear off, y'all, and I'll show y'all that maybe here in a bit. And then look, here's another one I harvested, y'all. This is the one that had 3 pineapples in, so you could tell here this is where I harvested the pineapple from, y'all. And look at right next to it, this one right here. It's real sharp, y'all, so be careful when you're dealing with pineapple. Even right here you could see how it has these little teeth, and they'll peel off and get stuck in your thumb and stuff. So this is here is another one, y'all. Another baby coming out of here, y'all. This is a whole new pineapple plant. And these ones, the babies, they actually give you the fruit a lot faster than if you're starting it fresh off of a pineapple, the actual fruit. So let me try here, y'all. Let's see here. We've got this baby here. So you can see here, this is where I harvested the other pineapple that we actually got to eat and cut, and you saw the video of that, y'all. So usually it's better to use cutters, you know, but I'm just gonna kind of tear this off here, make a little clearance. So I tore this piece off, y'all, and here's a baby. Another way I like to do it, just grab it, and you can see here, grab it and just twist, wiggle, just kind of wiggle, y'all. Get it more at the base. So let me try to show y'all. Let me get this leaf out the way. This one is growing pretty deep in there, y'all. So I'm trying to get my hand in there as deep as I could get it. And just kind of, let me put the phone here and try to give y'all a view. So I got it here. Like I said, I could just let this one grow, y'all. Cut off this. So let me show y'all here, y'all. It's real deep in there, y'all. You know what? Now that I actually kind of see this one, I'm gonna leave it be, y'all. I'll trim these leaves here. Just a quarter. It's a little speaker. Yeah. You put batteries. You put batteries in it. Just a quarter, sir. It's yours. Yeah, you plug it wherever you want to. Yeah, try it out. It's alright, y'all. I'm actually gonna just leave that one there for now. I don't wanna. It seems like it's really rooted itself in. So if you take them off young, you could snap them off. But what I'll do, since I'm happy with a new baby coming out here, is I'll just start cutting these leaves off and let it form. And same for that one. I'll just clean these old leaves here, let it form, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I don't want to harm it. You can see I got the little spines in me. But alright, I just wanted to show y'all that basically your old plant will keep reproducing. And there you go, there's proof, y'all. Brand new pineapple trying to come out of there. So thanks for watching. That's the mother and that's the baby. Catch you on the next one. Peace out.